Cette fois, c'est bon. On va se tester ce jeu. Ça bug. Ah. Bon, on va dire que c'est bon. J'ai pas mis la censure, j'espère que ça va être bon. Alors, soit interactif, soit cinématique. Interactif. Ouais, c'est le but. Let's go. Ouais. J'espère que le son est assez fort. Critical Wall.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad.
Je vais me compter un petit
What
peu.
is that?
Là, je pense que ça sera mieux.
Mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious.
C'est en anglais, c'est voulu. Audio. Est-ce que j'ai des choix de langue? Non. Alors, ah, langue par défaut. Français? Hein?
Ask again. How do you really
Ah, come on! On recommence. Jouer. Faut pas recommencer? On va voir. Ok, c'est bon. Allez, allez.
Obviously, I love him.
Bah, il fout de ma gueule en fait.
What?
Français. Faut qu'il quitte le jeu? Ah. Faut qu'il soit plus clair là. Il y a quelle partie qui est en français, quelle partie qui est pas en français? S'il vous plaît, quand même. Oui. Ouais, hop. Attends, on va faire hop, comme ça. Pas pratique cette histoire. Sinon on met les sous-titres, c'est pas grave. Hein.
Obviously, I.
Bon. On va mettre les sous-titres. Hop. Ok, c'est très bien.
Love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
Didn't really know him well. He wasn't around much.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now, because he's dead.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building.
Ah oui.
You're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I thought this would be.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy issue bitch ass to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
land.
smells like outside smells. Fuck, 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 fuck. Wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, okay. Steel mill. Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please! That's all I know!
Stop screaming, God damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Help!
Honestly, it was nice talking to someone about this stuff.
Mhm.
Guess what I'm saying is, I'm really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
Punaise, j'aurais pu le lâcher déjà quoi. RT. Ok. Sympa. Ah ouais. Ouais, j'ai mon robot et tout. On va se reculer un petit peu. Ouais, c'est bon. Oh. Ah, faut que j'attende que ce soit dedans, ok. Ah! Hmm. C'est moi. Ah non. Pow. Hop, 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 hop. Hop. Ça va, le créneau il est vraiment sympa pour le moment. J'entends ta bouille. Ah. Oh. Hein?
Time to finish this.
Ok. Créer un chemin. Haut, droite.
Right.
Ok. Ah. Haut, gauche, droite. D'accord. Jusque là ça va. Bah, au bas. Ah ouais, je peux refaire si j'ai besoin. C'est quoi ça? Télécharger coordonnées.
Alright, next one.
Donc là, je retourne à gauche. Je refais ça. Je me casse là. Hop. Pas gauche, droite. Oh.
Just one more.
Yep. Ok. Ah. Faut que je retourne de l'autre côté. Peut-être que j'ai pas fait dans le bon sens. C'est pas grave.
Alright.
Je vois même pas de timer donc. RT. Ok. Intéressant. Hmm. Bonjour.
a copy of that video when we're through here? Because it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud! All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Ugh, where the fuck is Shroud?
You'll be here in a bit. Oh hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts.
Écrasé, c'est
so
quoi
it
écrasé?
just kept-
I get it.
Ah ouais, écrasé, c'était vraiment tué quoi. Waouh. Il va arriver là. Oh. Il encaisse ce bougre.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real?
Ah. Ah ah.
Cool dick. So, you, got some kind of clever supervillain name?
You can call me toxic.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point.
Est-ce que les paramètres là dont c'est parlé, remplacer, censurer les profanités, tir visuel, j'ai envie de le mettre oui. Hein. Plus ça.
Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Ça fait vraiment moche par contre. Hein. Je sais pas s'il faut que je le mette. Hein. C'est dégueulasse. Hein. Écoute, on va le laisser. Pour le moment en tout cas. Hop. Il costaud ce bougre. Tiens. Oula. Oh merde. J'étais pas ouvert moi. Fuck. Oh là, oh là.
Figures.
Putain, y'en a du monde. Wow. Tiens. Aïe aïe aïe, les réparations vont coûter cher. Pas mal barré cette histoire. Tiens, tiens. Ah, je crois que c'est bon là, non? J'ai aimé le bruit là. Ah ouais d'accord, ok, je vois mieux cette fois. Oh merde. On utilise son réacteur, quelque chose. Vite. Allez. Oi oi oi. Oi oi oi. Ah bah rebooting, ouais, ouais, ouais. Oh putain. Oh punaise, mes pieds! Du renfort peut-être? Quelqu'un? Le secours? J'ai appuyé, hein. Ah ouais, c'est bon. Oh merde. Spectre. On va vraiment se barrer de là.
So, what do you got left on them shields?
Hmm.
I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about these things. Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know
Wow.
isn't really yours anyway.
Faut trouver une solution là. Casse-toi! Fuis!
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds
Whoa.
of damage before critical.
Oh, hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative earlier. I'm just the messenger here. Said you're not calculating that shit stuff to your leg, dumbass.
Fuck it.
Hey, great! All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe. Come on.
On abandonne le pied, c'est pas problème ça. Pas besoin d'un pied. Donc on vole. Ouais ouais, voilà.
Status.
Mal pas.
Status stable. Foreign device detected.
Oh là là. Oh putain.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
Ah oh. Oups. On va couper le Discord d'ici peu.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded
Ah c'est bon, on peut mettre pause, y a pas de problème. Hop, on va se mettre ça en muet. Et on y retourne.
across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los
Ah
Angeles.
ok.
Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilots, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again, when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a 3rd generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
est vivant. Enfin, il est
A
vivant.
lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next for
suit?
Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily. Do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
I suppose I want them to know I did my best. I worked as long as I could, as hard as I could, and that's all anyone can do. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Well, I don't have a suit and I don't have any superpowers, so yeah, short of a miracle, pretty much.
Is pretty much the same as definitively?
Pretty much is the same as pretty much, buddy boy. Alright, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my
Wow.
next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather. They must be rolling over in their graves.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive. Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything and that I did my best. Being Mecha Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that.
Dans ta gueule, connard.
Thank you for coming.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward, you know?
What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
Hey, assholes. Yeah, all you assholes.
Pretty disrespectful for you to be doing that in front of me.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, you. Go fucking hobo ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose. Which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Ah ouais, merde. Pas ouf. Idée de merde. Ah. Ouf, merci pour le coup de main.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew.
Hmm.
I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi. Yeah, I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Fuck. Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Okay. Wow, that's okay. Thank you.
One of them is on that roof. You look like you could use a drink.
Clairement.
What makes you say that?
Didn't even realize it.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks? Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
I can't tell which one of us had the rough day.
Oh, no. I had a great day. Well, that's not totally true. Oh, you're joking. Sorry. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you, too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands of...
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going.
Hmm.
The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Mhm.
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Honestly, it's the only thing I'm good at.
Now that's a sad sentence. Come on, that can't be true. I guess it could be true. So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably switch into water.
Good, because I was hoping after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, I have to say, Blazer, that does sound intriguing.
That's actually not water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing. I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch!
Tu Hubert.
Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
I just, you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like tell people obvious shit guy?
Remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it. You are Dr. Don't Do Shit. Your deal is you walk up to people, look threatening, talk a big game, then don't do shit about it. Also, you're not a real doctor because you're a fucking idiot.
You good?
Sorry.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick.
Mhm.
I literally just said, I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore.
Mhm.
So, you need to get the fuck out of here. Now, we can do this the easy way.
There. Easy way. You're gonna hit me now, right?
I've been waiting a long
Mhm.
time for this. Holy shit! What song is that?
Your mouth. It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop! Fucking guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and dicks. You know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha Dick, get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside?
Ow!
Relax. I'm leaving.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on this slippery floor.
Oh, my glass slipped and I made a little mess.
Just a little mess?
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Bodies. Mhm. Bon, elle va me proposer de bosser à la boîte en question, je dirais. J'imagine.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it. And it looks like there's a couple up there already. So.
All of this has been pretty overwhelming. You know, I don't get out often, and I think I really needed this. So thank you for bringing me out. I had a really great time.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, Then my dad, who I call Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. Remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
We can work with this. No, this. I'm sorry, I got the wrong impression.
Oh,
It's my fault.
I'm so sorry. I totally misread that.
You didn't. I mean, you did. But I definitely. The way I went about things tonight. I'm sorry. It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm
But
actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while. What about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
So this was like some sort of interview?
I was worried that you might be
Crazy?
unstable, damaged, unfit, batshit, dipshit, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
Wait, so you want me to sit in an office and dispatch heroes?
That's the idea. But just until we get your suit put back together.
What's dispatching even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at them.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going on?
It was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Well, okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Oh.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Let's go.
Well, it appears we've got our first call from a subscriber.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Ça fait instruction pour. Ok.
Such an array of brave heroes to choose from.
Ok.
This graph will show you what a hero does well and not so well.
Intéressant.
A hero with a knack for vigor and combat looks right for the job.
Vigoureux et bagarreur. C'est quoi? C'est défendre, ça doit être vigoureux, attaquer la planque, bagarreur, ok.
That sounds like me.
Mhm. Donc on va le choisir, ok. Non, vigoureux et bagarreur, il veut dire que c'est la même chose? Pas clair. Bref. Ouais, si. On verra.
Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work.
Ok. Quoi? Ah, envoyé. Ok, pardon. Autant pour moi, monsieur.
I am on the way. I will now return to SDN.
C'est bien passé, a priori.
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed R&R. That
Okay.
stands for rest and relaxation.
Repos, relaxation, d'accord.
Don't
Repose-toi.
forget to review your hero's performance. They won't be sent out again until you do.
Très bien.
On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required.
Ouais, ça j'avais compris, c'est gentil.
Let's see how well
Ah.
you did after responding to that caller's, well, call.
Ok.
There's no such thing as a
Ah.
perfect fit. Use your intellect and your roster to your advantage.
Quoi?
The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am to succeed.
Ok, chef. Enfin, si tu serais allé avec quelqu'un d'autre, ça aurait été mieux, quoi.
Organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Ok.
We've got
Enquête.
a potential villain hideout on the
Ah.
college campus.
Sometimes the solution is brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem.
Ok. Alors, enquêter sur la planque des méchants qui... interpréter les indices. Wayne. Ouais, bah c'est la savante. Pourquoi c'est Pom Pom qui me parle là? Bon, bref, de toute façon, c'est elle. Je peux en envoyer une deuxième?
Intellectually stimulating.
Autant que j'en envoie deux, non? Les deux là, boum.
Knowledge is
Ah merde, j'ai envoyé qu'elle. Ça, j'ai pas validé l'autre. Ok. Intéressant. Oh merde!
Poor marks on that one.
The museum is doing an exhibit on local superheroes and need a guest speaker.
Ils veulent quoi? Quelqu'un qui parle? Une nouvelle expo, d'accord. On en envoie deux cette fois. Speaker, ça va être beau-parleur. Et on va t'envoyer Pom Pom avec toi. Et let's go.
Oh, if these streets could talk.
One of your heroes needs you. As their leader, your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead.
Hein? Merde. Je sais pas moi, t'es en musée quand même, tu vas pas te mettre à faire des blagues, non? On va faire culture G alors. J'imagine. Aïe aïe aïe, chaud.
These choices need the right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths and weaknesses.
Ah. Ah, j'avais pas vu l'icône. Enfin bon, ça s'est bien passé. Fallait pas que... Waouh, 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 waouh!
Convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the highway patrol.
As if traffic in this city was not
Putain,
bad enough.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well.
Attendez, j'ai pas lu. Merde.
Is a PTO.
Tac.
Together we can do it together.
Je t'enverrai bien quand même, genre lui avec.
Let me balance the scales.
The diabolical supervillain El Diablo is attacking Los Angeles General.
Oh no. It's one of my arch nemesises, El Diablo. That means the Diablo in Spanish.
He must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack helpless hospital people. That
Oh là là, mais c'est chaud là, vous voyez tout le monde partout là, waouh. Bon après je pense que elle est le mieux. Est-ce que j'envoie de l'aide? Elle servira pas à grand chose. Allez, je t'envoie toi. Compliqué hein?
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift will end very soon.
Tu sais, je vous laisse. Ok. Détourner l'attention du monstre. Encaisser les attaques de la bête jusqu'à ce qu'elle soit épuisée. Oh là là. Merde alors. Détourner l'attention. Faut qu'il lui parle? Non, je pense pas. Oh là là. Encore du temps? Ouais.
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
Quelqu'un qui aille vite. C'est toi. Niaou. Oh merde. Putain, mais là, c'est compliqué. Perturbation.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales. They are superheroes after all.
Ok. Bah, j'ai pas le choix a priori. Courage, madame. Good job. Bon. Détourner l'attention du monstre. Il va pas y arriver lui. Hein.
I didn't even see that there.
Ah si, je l'avais vu, mais bon. Trop de monde. Alors, ils sont retenus en otage. Toi, il est forcé à se rendre. Ok. Bon bah il... Ah, il commence à attendre là-bas. Bon bah tant pis, j'envoie toi. Toi. Comment ça attente? Ah ok. Ok. Là. T'as réussi madame? Oh oui, allez. Bien.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the...
Là j'ai du monde dispo, ça devrait aller. Poursuivre l'acolyte jusqu'à sa base, résister aux attaques. Poursuivre, ça doit être la rapidité, j'ai personne, c'est pas grave. Vaincre et capturer. Il faut au moins toi. Poursuivre. Ah, rapidité, non, c'était elle, c'est bon. Et résister aux attaques, bah, c'est elle. On envoie tout cela, bim. Hop. ai raté un. Je vais me faire engueuler. Hein. Yay.
What can I say? A lot, actually.
Bon, il n'y a pas d'autres missions, c'est bon. Ouais, faut que je pense à valider après. C'est ça que j'ai pas fait au début. Pas trop aller.
A perfect dispatch.
Bon, il y a un truc qu'on n'a pas fait.
Our shift is done now. It
On va
is
peut-être se
time
faire
for
engueuler
lunch.
quoi.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Oh
Did you
yeah.
say phenomenal? It felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for a first time, it
Elle
feels
s'est endormie.
to be-
Ah bah, super, comment on redescend?
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow.
Tu me laisses pas là?
I'm not done saving you yet.
Sérieusement? Bon, heureusement il y a l'échelle, hein, mais quand même, merde.
Is there a ladder or...
Bon, j'imagine.
Sorry I'm late.
Ouais, il est pénard ce jeu, c'est cool.
The folks at SDN are the best in the business, and we're striving to create a safer, stronger city every
I
single
met a nice lady.
The folks who live here have to do a lot.
She wants to help us out.
Très bon début. Merci Seb d'avoir acheté le jeu, c'était une très bonne idée. Hmm. 1% des joueurs et vous avez réussi. Ah, les autres ils ont réussi large. Putain, merde. J'ai envoyé trop, je sais pas. J'ai pas validé suffisamment vite les...